Hi everyone, hi, how are you guys? Welcome back to my channel with me Selvie, and today I'm going to show you how to do a rainbow cut crease eye look like this. So without any further ado, let's get started. I have already done half of my makeup, so now let's focus on the eyes. So guys, to get a pigmented color of your eyeshadow, always remember to use an eyeshadow base. I'm going to start the upper layer of the eye look. I will start brushing the first color of the layer, which are yellow, orange, red, purple, and dark blue. Now it's time to create the cut crease. For you who don't know how to do it, don't worry, it's really easy. So you will need a thin flat brush and some foundation or concealer. Here I'm using the foundation that is a bit lighter than my skin color. And now I will start creating the shape that I want, slowly but sure. After I get the shape that I want, I'm going to even out the rest of the excess foundation by slowly pulling it down and blend it with the brush. And again, I will apply the eyeshadow base to get a pigmented color. Now, I'm going to do the second layer by starting brushing the light blue color and then continue with green and yellow. Make sure you do it gently because you don't want to mess up the first layer. Next, I will do the same things, same techniques to create the second cut crease, except it will be shorter at the end. Finally, the last layer. Here, I'm going to use purple and white. For the under eyes, I'll use purple and pink color. This is my favorite part. I always add a little bit of this glittery powder to the inner corner of my eyes. That's it guys. Now I'm gonna do my other eye and the rest of my face, and I'll be right back. So this is it. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you'll get the notification every time I upload new video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Don't forget it, and don't forget to okay.